Excuse me, in what era would you most like to have grown up, and why? Julie.
What era would I most like to have grown up in, and why? Well, that is a very interesting question. And I thought if I sat there for a while, I was hoping for a question that would be very easy for me to answer. But this one is a challenging one. What era would I like to have grown up in? Well, I really like the modern era that we're in right now. I think it's really fascinating, everything that has happened in our lifetime in terms of computers and smartphones and things like that. So in some ways, I think it would be interesting to live in an era that we have not yet experienced. It's a little bit like what Christina was saying. We know what has happened in the past. It would be interesting to be able to jump ahead and see something maybe 100 years from now. See if it really does happen that we have computer screens, you can just think about them and they appear in front of us and you can just think about what you want to happen on that screen and it just magically happens. Or maybe there'll be some things that happen in healthcare that will be just amazing in terms of being able to cure cancer or HIV, things like that. It would be really fascinating to see what the future may bring. As we're always so hopeful that things will happen in the future for ourselves and for humankind, we just don't know. So it would be interesting to see that. And I was going to try to weave the word dread in there too. We dread in some ways what we don't know. Sort of a double-edged sword there when we're thinking about the future. So yeah, I would think it would be interesting to take a step into the future. Thanks.